Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome video. Now, this is a video with natural fat burning elements, and this is what's going to get all of that crap up out of your stomach. This is an extreme weight loss, okay? That means it's going to be super powerful. All right, so let me just show you some of the things you're going to need for this awesome video. Okay, you're definitely going to need a blender. All right, definitely going to need a blender. So get your blenders out. You're also going to need some ground cinnamon. All right, and you're also going to need some grapefruit juice. All right, if you don't have a juicer and you need some grapefruit juice, buy 100% grapefruit juice. May have some little preservatives or whatever, but it's going to work still. Okay. Now, lastly, you're also going to be using your mangoes. All right, these are some frozen mango chunks, no preservatives. All right, I got this from my local Trader Joe's, and it works just fine. All right, so let's start this video right now. Now, of course, now you're going to need at least a cup of your mango chunks. So I've already measured it out. It might be a little bit more than a cup, but as long as it's close to a cup, that's good enough. Pop that in your blender. Next, you're going to need 2 cups of your grapefruit juice. Throw that in there as well. 3 simple ingredients, you guys, and that's it. You're out the kitchen. Now, lastly, you're going to need at least a 1/4 teaspoon of your cinnamon powder. Okay? So 1/4 teaspoon of your cinnamon powder, and that's it. This is going to do it for you. Potent fat burning ingredients in this. All right, so now I'm going to just get my blender ready, and we're going to blend this jammy up right now. Okay, you guys, so we are finished blending. Next, you're going to get your favorite mug, and that's it. Voila. Oh, delicioso. Now, if you have pineapples, that's another fruit that'll be wonderful for this recipe. And there you have it, you guys. Pop your straw in there. Delicious and refreshing. Tastes delicioso, you guys. Delicioso. So enjoy this wonderful smoothie that you can have in the morning as a meal replacement. You can have it in the evening or afternoon as a snack. I mean, this is delicious, and the elements in here is going to shrink those fat cells. It's going to help to get rid of all of that stuff in your stomach. It's going to smooth out your belly area, and you're going to see a weight reduction, especially in your belly area. Also, don't forget, when you're making these teas, detoxes, and smoothies, eat healthy, light meals. All right, that is definitely the key. If you're exercising, that's even an extra added bonus. So just remember, detox teas and smoothies alone will not do it for you if you're not eating properly. So that's a definite must. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me in this wonderful fat burning smoothie recipe. And you're going to see some extreme weight loss with this recipe, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that like button. So this way I will bring to you more of these wonderful recipe ideas for you today. And also like, comment, subscribe, share these videos with your friends and family. And don't forget, check down in the description bar for these wonderful items like the full-size NUTRIBULLET blender, the links for that, as well as these metal straws, okay, that are reusable and safe for the environment. So don't forget, check down below for all these wonderful things that I have links for that you can purchase on your own. I'm not getting money for that. I'm just showing you these wonderful items, okay? And again, you guys, let me know how you enjoy this wonderful smoothie. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skincare, family challenges, and fashion hauls on that channel. Alright? And again, your big sis loves you. And I will see you in the next video. Welcome YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.